Hi everyone, I'm Farah and welcome to Digitella. Today we're going to explore how can we learn cybersecurity in an easy and fun way. So let's get started. From my experience, I would suggest you to start studying the Introduction to Cybersecurity course at Cisco Academy because it covers a wide range of different cybersecurity concepts briefly, which includes the different cyber attacks, threats, and also security measures. This course takes about 15 hours to complete, which means it requires about 8 days to complete if you studied every day for 2 hours. You also get a certificate of completion which you can share on LinkedIn. Then, after completing this course, I would recommend you to start solving capture the flag challenges on the Hack the Box website to get some experience in the practical side of cybersecurity. I think one disadvantage of Hack the Box website challenges is that the limited pound boxes, which are kind of stimulated virtual machines that you can use for a really limited time. So I suggest you set up your virtual machine to help you keep on practicing and not disturb your studying session. There's also another website you can use, which is Portswigger Academy. It is a really great website for learning different cyber topics, including penetration testing and SQL injections. It's free and it allows you to gain certificates depending on the different modules you complete. And I would also recommend another website to practice on, which is TryHackMe, and it's essentially really similar to Hack the Box website, which offers different paths that you can enroll into depending on your interests, and also you can practice different modules that you just want to gain knowledge and experience in as well. So it's a really great website to explore and practice on to help you build your cybersecurity skills and as well as help you gain the experience that you need in order to pursue a career in cybersecurity if you wanted. Lastly, I would recommend to study the Google Cybersecurity Certificate on Coursera, which was £49 per month, but it was worth the price. From my experience, I did it in 2 months, so I can save money, and I think overall it helped me build a strong foundation in cybersecurity, since the course included 8 modules and each module has different sub-modules, which was really interesting to learn about since it included how to write SQL scripts on the command line terminal and how to build Python functions that would add a security layer on the apps or services that are vulnerable to attacks. Lastly, I would strongly recommend you search for companies nearby that do cybersecurity work placement, because it would really give you a great feel of and taste of how your life with the cybersecurity career would look like, and also learn from other employers' perspectives that might inspire you. If you can't find one, try and search for any companies that have a cybersecurity sector and are doing an event very soon. So try your best to attend this event to express your interest to the company's employees and ask if the company offers any cybersecurity work placement. And if yes, then ask them who should you contact. I've also linked a Notion template guide below to help you in your cybersecurity journey. I really hope you liked this video and enjoyed it. And if you did, please like this video and comment down below what cybersecurity topics interest you the most so I can make a video in more detail in the future. That's it for today. I wish you the best of luck in your cybersecurity journey and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!